Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from Samsung or Android phone to Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this is my Android phone and this is my old phone. I'm just transfer all data my old phone to this new phone. So let's get started. At first, make sure to connect your Wi-Fi in the same wireless. Okay, and connect. I'm already connected this, and you just open to Smart Switch apps. Okay, open this, and the same way to open this phone, and just send this phone to this phone. So select send from this phone and receive on this phone. Select to wireless, showing it to QR code. Press on to wireless and scan this QR code. Okay. Showing it to this option. Select everything, or just account, call, contact and message, or custom. You just easily custom from here. Like select okay, image and video. Press on to transfer. Press and copy. And verify your email address. Press on next. Okay, now successfully scanning this, and when it's complete to 100%, then successfully transfer all data my old phone to new phone. So that's it. That's how you can